Welcome back, guys. Today, so we're gonna be doing some smoked brats. Now we have here the cheddar and bacon flavored brats. We got the outdoor rolls, and we're gonna be using the garlic jalapeno rub from Brats. My name is RJ, and this is Beginners Barbecue Outdoors. All right, guys. So here we have it, some cheddar bacon brats. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add a little bit of vegetable oil to use as a binder, and then we're going to use some rub to add some flavor, more flavor to it. And of course the garlic jalapeno rub probably fit really good with this. So we're going to go ahead and get these nice and covered with some vegetable oil, so we can use that as a binder. I'm going to do that all of them. Now let's go ahead and add some of this delicious rub that we tried already, and if you guys haven't tried it, you guys have got to give it a try. This is pretty good. All right, just like that. Now this is so simple. It's summertime. Brats are some of the things that a lot of people like to make. Last time I did it was the beer brats, and man, that was amazing. So now we're just gonna do normal brats with some rub. Now what are we gonna put our pit boss at? We're gonna put them at 250 degrees. We're gonna let them ride for about an hour. Now the internal temps that the brats go by is I think it's 160 to 165, and around the hour they should be right there. So we'll check it out at the hour mark to see where we're at, but it should be pretty much done. That being said, let's go ahead and fire up our pit boss. All right, our pit boss is at 250 degrees, and we'll be back in 1 hour. All right, it's been 1 hour. We haven't touched them at all. Let's see where they're at. Bam. Right where we want it. 1 hour exactly. All right, welcome back, guys. So before we get into this, let's have a quick recap of what we did today. Alright, so here we have it. So now we have here some jalapenos that we're going to add, because I like adding jalapenos to this, and onions. I think a hot dog with onions, oh my god, it's one of the best things. Let me know in the comments if you agree that onions should have to be on your hot dog. Alright, so we have here the outdoor rolls, and this is one of the buns that I like to use, is these outdoor. So we're going to add some ketchup. I know there's a lot of people that don't like ketchup on their hot dogs. Well, they said no ketchup should be on a hot dog. I've always liked ketchup on my hot dog. Some Dijon mustard on that. Now let's go add some of these onions. I got the red onions. And then we're gonna add some jalapenos. You gotta have jalapenos. Bam. Look at that beauty. Ooh-wee. Here we go. Cheers. Man, this is good. Man, this bacon cheddar brat is really good. Having those onions, that Dijon mustard, ooh-wee, that's the next level brat. Let me know down in the comments, what is your must-have on your dog? When you guys do some brats like these, what are your must-have condiments? No matter what, these are the ones that you have to have on yours. Let me know. I'm curious to see what you guys think about that. That being said, make sure you guys hit that like, hit that subscribe. We have a special thing coming in a few weeks. Somebody reached out that I was waiting for. I didn't think it was going to happen this early in our channel, but it did. So stay tuned for that video coming in a few weeks. And with that being said, I will see you guys next time.